There we go. Much better. What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Linck here, and today we're back with a brand new episode of The Bulk. It's episode 6 today, and as you guys saw, we weighed in at 159.8. That is only 0.2 pounds down from our previous weigh-in, and guys, I don't know about you, I think that's pretty good. I know you're probably like, oh, wait, but you lost weight. I didn't really lose weight, all right? Weight is not linear. I could go and drink like 20 ounces of fucking water right now, and I can gain half a pound and be like, oh, look at that, guys, I'm half a pound heavier, you know what I'm saying? Taking you guys through a day in the life today, even though it's already 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Don't worry, I didn't wake up till like noon today. My last like couple weekends of summer, so I'm really trying to enjoy myself, you know what I'm saying? Did have some pancakes, protein pancakes, of course, patent pending. I've been doing this thing recently where before I even eat anything, I've always preached drinking water, but I'm trying to drink at least one of these before I even eat a single thing in the morning. My digestion feels a lot better, and I feel like I can, you know, poop a little bit better. But anyways, I'm gonna be hitting some legs. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of footage from that. Taking you guys grocery shopping with me. I'm gonna take you guys meal prepping with me, and we're gonna stop at the vitamin shop because they're having a sale on energy drinks, and you know your boy loves himself some Rise energy drinks. If you're excited for today's video, hit that like button. Try and get 5 likes on this video. All right, guys, help to the algorithm a ton. You know, trying to grow that family. We're on the road to 500 subscribers. Hitting legs in about 30-40 minutes. So I'm gonna kind of chill out. You ready to go hit some legs? All right, so it's about 2 o'clock right now. Your boy just slammed a Rice Krispie treat because you know that pump's gonna be nutty. We're gonna have a full scoop of the Rise pre-workout. We're gonna have creatine and salt in there for the pump. So it's absolutely nutty. All I have to do is to get freaking hyped. Let's go! Alright, y'all, just finished up a killer leg workout with cameraman Jake himself, and now we're headed to Chipotle, the greatest post-workout place to eat of all time. I'll show you guys my order. I'm gonna go get some grub. Alright, here's the order. We got white rice, we got chicken, pico, green salsa, a little bit of cheese. That's the order. Solid. Alright, y'all, it is almost 6 o'clock, and right now we are getting ready to go grocery shopping. We got a grocery shopping list. We need to get Rice Krispie treats, chocolate chips, dark chocolate. We need to get peanut butter, the creamy version. You already know, nut tastes better when it's a little creamy. Bananas, yogurt, egg whites, almond milk, and baby carrots. Let's stop at the vitamin shop because apparently all their energy drinks are $1 until Sunday, and y'all know I love myself some of those Rise energy drinks. I'm gonna be meal prepping with you guys, showing you what I do. But if you want a full meal prep video, go click that top right there. It's your full meal prep video. Showered, got all black on, you know, the usual. Gymshark, of course, and then I'm gonna be rocking the black and white Converse as well. Hey, y'all, so we got to the vitamin shop, and there were no Rise energy drinks left, so I ended up picking up some Ghost. I'm not gonna try them for you today, but if you do want to see them, go check out my YouTube shorts. Find them today, because I already have 400 milligrams of caffeine, and I'm not doing that to my heart. I picked up this MRE bar, the sprinkled donut flavor. Let's give it a taste test. 260 calories, 9 grams of fat, 29 carb, 20 grams protein. Smells good. To be honest, doesn't taste like a sprinkled donut at all. Doesn't really taste like anything. There's no flavor to it. I'd probably give this like a 6, like a 5. It's honestly just mid. There's literally no flavor to it whatsoever. But anyways, we are at Target to go do some grocery shopping. So let's go. All right, yo, picked up the groceries. For some reason, Target didn't have egg whites. Don't understand how that's a thing. But anyways, we got the goods. Now it's time to go meal prep. Also, I totally forgot to add the price of all of this, including the ice cream that I got for my girlfriend. It was $36.41. But if you exclude that, it was right around $31. All of that food for $31. And keep in mind, that is a week's worth. And if you want to get like chicken, egg whites, eggs, oatmeal, rice, which all of that stuff can last you more than a week, Guys, that's gonna bring your total about like $50, $60, maybe $70 if you get like the expensive stuff. Bulking on a budget does not have to be hard. All right, y'all. It's time to meal prep. Hello, everybody. I'm your chef in the kitchen today, and I'm gonna be taking you guys through this week's meal prep. This week, it is gonna be something exquisite. We have a rare fowl flown straight in from the jungles of northern Brazil, only seen to 100 people in the world. And then, pairing that, we have aromatic vegetables with earthy undertones that just allow the fowl to just show its true colors in the taste buds. And then, to round off the meal with a perfect texture, we have an earthy, and I mean earthy grain that'll just allow you to mix it all together. You get the fowl, you get the earthy undertone of the veggies, and you get the texture from the grain. It just completes the perfect meal. It's like an orgy in the mouth. It's also known as chicken, rice, and vegetables. I'm gonna keep it above with you. I don't even know what I was doing there. But yeah, we're making chicken, baby carrots, cauliflower, and then some rice. I got rice cooking in there. Want to see a full in-depth meal prep of how I do my meal prep, like for real? Go click that top right corner. I already put it early in the video, but if you guys didn't click it, click that right there. I give you my steps on how to meal prep properly. All right, the veggies are steaming. I put some like soy sauce, salt, pepper, garlic powder. You already know the vibes. Chicken boobies are done. They cooking. They getting all nice and crispy. Probably season with like adobo, garlic, black pepper. Actually, screw that. Let's just get salt. The other stuff is way too spicy. Yeah, that's good enough spice. Guys, I'm kidding. I'm actually gonna season, like, look, see? Proof that I season my chicken. To be honest, I don't really fucking know what I'm doing when it comes to cooking. I just kind of throw shit in a pan, season it how I feel like seasoning it that day, and then it's what I eat. I'm just gonna pretty much sit back, relax, watch the new Lex Little video, and then, yeah, get you guys when it's done. All right, the veggies are done. They're done. It's hot, but they're done. So is the rice. All right, the chicken boobies are done. I added some peppers and onions in there for like a little bit of flavor, and they ended up getting a little bit burnt. But I don't think I burnt my chicken this time, so it's not gonna be chicken jerky. So I'm gonna package all that up. I'm probably gonna grab like some granola, maybe some yogurt, and then go head over to my girlfriend's house and eat some dinner there. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be editing this video. All right, y'all. It's dinner time. It's about 10:15 at night. Almost completely done editing this video. I ended up just making the chicken, rice, and veggies that we made earlier. It smells delicious. I had a little bit of a bite. Also tastes delicious. And I'm also gonna be putting some barbecue sauce on it because why the hell not? I'm bulking, calories, whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for the video, guys. I don't really do that much in a day. I either pretty much do exactly what I did today, or I work and then I work out and then I sleep and eat. During when I was meal prepping, I was watching the Mogcast, which I love that podcast, with Sush, James English, and Christian Guzman. Christian, if you don't know, is the owner of Alpha Elite, and if you guys don't know, or haven't been around the channel, I fucking love Alpha Elite clothes. Christian Guzman was one of the very first people that I started watching when I started doing fitness/lifting in 2017. He was always inspiring to me. Like, I wanted to be like him. I wanted to like train like him, look like him. After hearing this episode of the Mogcast, I was like, damn, he is so much bigger than what he lets on. It was just super inspiring to see that this man doesn't stop until he gets to where he wants to be. That's kind of how I feel with this channel and this whole fitness thing. Like, I don't want to stop until I am satisfied. And I don't want to ever be satisfied. I just want to continuously pump out content that you guys enjoy and love and want to watch when I put those videos out. I can't do that without you guys. So if you made it this far in the video, you guys might as well be liking some. Might as well hit that like button, that subscribe button. It just helps with the channel a ton. Trying to build a family on the road to 500 subscribers. Shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for 400 subscribers. But anyways, it's been your boy Linck. Remember, be better than you were yesterday. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.